specific latent heat? E equals m times L by KayScience.com. So to work out the energy required to change state is E equals m times L, where E is the energy for the change of state, and the unit is joules. M is the mass of the substance. So M, the mass of the substance, the unit is kilograms. L is the specific latent heat for that substance, and the unit for specific latent heat is joules per kilogram. What is the specific latent heat of vaporization for water? So how many joules of energy is required to be transferred from the liquid into the surroundings to change the state of 1 kilogram of water from a liquid into 1 kilogram of a gas? The specific latent heat of vaporization for water is 2,260,000 joules per kilogram. So to change 1 kilogram of water from a liquid into 1 kilogram of steam, which is a gas, 2,260,000 joules need to be transferred into the liquid. How much energy is required to change the state of 3 kilograms of the liquid into 3 kilograms of gas? As you can see here, this is 3 kilograms representing the liquid water. And how many joules of energy is required to be transferred into the 3 kilograms of the water to change the state of the water to a gas, but without changing the temperature? Two bits of information that we've got is the specific latent heat of vaporization for water, and we've got the mass of the water. So you recall the equation E equals m times L, trying to work out the energy required to change state. So that is E equals 3 kilograms times 2,260,000 joules per kilogram. That gives you the energy required E. So E equals 6,780,000 joules of energy. This is the problem you will learn how to solve. Press pause to attempt it. The method and the answer will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to practice using those key words. The answers will follow. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes. Press pause to answer the questions. The answers will follow. And if you're stuck, just re-watch the video. Press pause to go through your answers and make any corrections to your mistakes.